Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall.
Behind the Drywall.
Behind the
Drywall.
Remodel your thinking. Remodel your thinking.
Day in the life with Mike.
The day of the life of moi.
Shall we?
Work.
Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
Okay. See, okay.
That was really bad.
That was really bad.
In the outdoors with Sillimer.
That we can. Stop.
Since I'm getting bigger, we need it bigger. And it worked out.
Smaller.
I don't think that's what
I
I'm
mean-
here as a man.
If you're a griller, and there's dogs.
Luxury, I can't remember now.
Blech. Get that?